What's up, guys? This is a 2015 Toyota Camry 2ARFE 4-cylinder. I'm at 246,651 miles. Some of you may know the check engine light is on for evap codes. I got 3 evap codes. They keep coming back. I have new OEM gas tank cap, new OEM charcoal canister, and then I do have an aftermarket purge valve. I keep getting the check engine light back. I can't seem to get rid of that code. But now, after I fill up, every time after I fill up, the car won't start, or starts really hard. It cranks over for sometimes 30 seconds, 2 minutes. I crank it, I push the pedal a few times. Eventually I am able to get it going, but something is not purging, or I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research. But yeah, I have a hard start after getting gas. So I don't know if it's the neck or fuel vapors are getting stuck somewhere and triggering something so it won't start. So I'm gonna have to look into that. It's happened like 5 or 6 times now. And I'm thinking it's related to my evap codes. It's all got to be connected somehow. But besides that, it doesn't burn any oil and it runs good. Tranny still does slip a little bit. I'm gonna change the oil, the transmission fluid again, put some more anti-slip in there and see if I can keep limping this thing along, or just do a whole new transmission. And then I'd be good for another 250,000 miles with regular transmission fluid changes. This one did not have any transmission fluid changes up through 200,000 miles. It was original fluid, and that's my issue. But obviously I did not get this car new, so I couldn't do that. But it is slipping. I just limp it along. But yeah, that's the update on the 2015 Camry. I'm gonna do some research now and see what's going on with the hard start after getting fuel, and I'll keep you updated if I find anything or if I'm able to resolve this issue. Have a good one.